Hello students, I welcome you all to another session of mathematics where we are going to study about the properties of multiples. Yes. But before we study about this topic, let's first understand that what do we mean by multiples. The product of two or more numbers is called a multiple. When we multiply a number by any natural number, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get a multiple of two numbers. This can be well explained with the help of an example. Here, I take an example where 7 is multiplied by 1, which is our natural number, to get 7. Then I have multiplied 7 by 2 to get 14. Similarly, I am getting 21 after multiplying 7 and 3. So students, we can say from here that multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28. Now, since we have understood that what do we mean by multiples, let's see which are the various properties of multiples. So, the very first property of multiple that we are going to see is, I take an example where I have multiplied 1 by 1 to get 1. Then I have multiplied 1 by 2 to get 2, 1 by 3 to get 3 and 1 by 4 to get 4. So, what do I see over here? That 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the multiples of 1. So, the first property that we get from here is that every number is a multiple of 1. Then, I have the second property. When I multiply 7 by 1, I get 7. 9 by 1, I get 9. Similarly, when I multiply the two numbers, that is 15 and 1, I get the multiple 15. So, what do we see here? That multiples of 7 is 7 and so multiple of 9 is 9. So, from here we have the second property of multiple, which says that every number is a multiple of itself. Now, let's see the next property, which says when I multiply 5 by 1, I get 5. On multiplying 5 by 2, I get 10. And when I multiply 5 and 3, I am getting 15. So, the first or the smallest multiple of 5 is 5. With this, we get our third property of multiple, which says the first or the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Here, I have multiplied 3 by 1 to get 3, 3 by 2 to get 6, 3 by 3 to get 9. So, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 3 are, we can say in other words, they are 3 and more than 3. That makes in no case multiples of a given number can be less than the given number, right? So with this we have our next property, which says that every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Now let's see the next property of multiples. Here we'll be taking the number, say 3, where we'll be finding the various multiples of 3. That is, they are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Why they are so on? Because they are infinite natural numbers. So, there would be infinite multiples also. With this, we can say that there is no largest multiple of a number as multiples are infinite, because they are infinite natural numbers. So, there won't be any largest multiple of a number. Right, students? Let's take a quick recap of what we have learned so far. So, our very first property that we studied was that every number is a multiple of 1. The second property says every number is a multiple of itself. Then, the first or the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Then, every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Then, there is no largest multiple of a number as multiples are infinite. Students, with these properties, you will be able to understand the concept, chapter 4, that is factors and multiples. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.